You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names that too many people mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. 2 different ways of pronouncing it in English. Kharasch. Kharasch. Some also pronounce it as Kharasch. Kharasch as in the Kharasch effect, or Kharasch. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.